student artist. Miss Wade here, your art teacher. Today, we are going to talk about sketchbooks. Now, first off, what is a sketchbook? I'm so glad you asked. A sketchbook is a journal that artists use, and you're an artist, so you're gonna need to have one. It is a journal that artists use to record their ideas. They use it to brainstorm, to practice. We're gonna be practicing in them a lot. And it's just a place to keep all of those ideas, those drawings in one place. So to create or get a sketchbook, I'm gonna give you 3 options. Option number 1 is get 10 to 15 pieces of copy paper, fold it in half, and staple the edges. And voila, you have a homemade sketchbook. Option number 2 would be to get a composition notebook, one that you would find in the school supply section of your local store, and use this as your dedicated art journal, not for any other subject. And finally, option 3 would be to purchase an actual sketchbook from a local craft store. This will have thicker paper and no lines. But any of these options will work, so do what is best for you. While we're talking about sketchbooks, I want to talk about how we use the sketchbooks. And to do that, we are going to go on a classroom tour where you are going to observe 2 students. One is exhibiting the do's of sketchbooks, and the second student is exhibiting the don'ts of sketchbooks. Let's go observe. All right, so here we have little Stevie. He's working on his sketchbook. He's making drawings on the pages, and oh my goodness, he's flipping through those pages so fast, he's not even filling them with his drawings. That's a sure way to run out of pages fast, and uh-oh, it looks like he's upset that he has no more pages to draw on. Let's check on little Sally. Looks like she is filling her page with lots of drawings. Even if she doesn't like a drawing, she's still using that page to draw in the blank space. This is a great way to use your sketchbook as practice and not waste any space. Let's look back at little Stevie. It looks like he's making another drawing. Uh-oh, it looks like he's not happy with how this drawing is turning out. That is a total normal feeling. We all do things that we're not that happy with, but oh my gosh, did he just scribble that out? That is a definite no. All right, let's look back at little Sally. It looks like she's trying to draw a circle. Uh-oh, she made a mistake that time, but she's not giving up. She's trying again. That one's a little bit better. Wow, I'm so glad that she didn't give up and that she didn't scribble out her mistakes, because now she gets to see progress. All right, let's look back at little Stevie. It looks like he is drawing on the page. It looks great. Uh-oh, it looks like he made a mistake and he's not really happy with his drawing. Again, that happens to all of us. That's how we learn from our mistakes. Oh my goodness, did he just rip out the page from his sketchbook? That is a definite no. All right, let's take a look back at little Sally. It looks like she's using a variety of art mediums such as markers, colored pencils to add to her sketchbook. This is a great idea to add some variety and interest to your drawings. And finally, feel free to use your sketchbook for not just your art assignments, but for your own drawings that you want to do in your free time. Again, this is your art journal to really explore. Wow, it looks like little Sally is drawing a picture of her dog. So cute. All right, artists, now that you know the do's and the don'ts of sketchbooks, I cannot wait to see what you're going to create in your sketchbooks.